What's going on, tubers? It's Sunday, and it's work. Always work. Always something to do around the house. But so check this out. Got some motion activated wall lanterns that my neighbor over there, he gave them to us. So motion activated. So we're gonna try the 6 inches by 6.75 inches. We're gonna try to install them outside the garage here. Wall lanterns. So I'm gonna try to take these two off. And I'll try to put that one on there. But look at this here, though. This here co-worker gave me this here now. This is a yard machine edger. And I'll do more on that in another video. But he gave me this light also. It's a motion sensor, and I put it up there on the back door. See, motion sensor light for the back door. So that was pretty nice of him. So he wasn't using them, so, and if I could use them, you know, that I could have them. So since he gave them to me, might as well try to use them right. So let's see if we can get this one here installed. That's that one. And that's the other one. Now it's time to clean up the trash. It was rough getting them two off. They had the screws twisted and stuff. I don't know. They've been on this since this house was built, but that was rough. Time to take the trash out.